welcome to Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a high temperature measuring device which is an infrared thermometer. This is from Testo and the model number is 835H1. Now as you can see, there are a lot of good features into this device which is very much applicable for trade industries and applications where you need to measure high temperatures along with the accuracy. Now this particular infrared thermometer, as you can see, is very handy and it has a quad laser technology, as you can see, pointed towards the subject, and it shows an accurate temperature based on this technology. Basically it has got a big LCD display which shows the current temperature, the battery, emissivity, time and other features which is required for the user. There are 4 buttons along with a toggle button which you can use to do left, right, up and down, and to get to the home you need to push the trigger which is provided here. It has also got a PC connectivity which you can see here. You need to use the mini USB cable to connect to the PC, and the software which needs to connect to the PC is easily available from testo.com. Coming to its temperature range, it is minus 30 to 600 degrees in temperature. The additional feature in this is that it has got an humidity sensor also for this model. However, we have another 2 models in the same family, which is T1 and T2. Now this has got an accuracy of plus or minus 2.5 degrees Celsius between minus 30 to plus minus 20 degrees Celsius, and plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius between minus 20 to minus 0.1 degrees Celsius. The resolution is 0.1 degrees Celsius, and the sensor type K type, if you see, it can also have a measurement of minus 50 to 600 degrees. The additional humidity sensor, as I said, is also having a measuring range of 0 to 100% RH, and plus or minus 2% RH is an accuracy. The resolution again is 0.1% RH. It has got an emissivity of 0.10 to 1.00 and a step of 0.01. Now emissivity 0.95, as you can see, it's about the sensitivity of the subject where you are taking the temperature. At different subject, the emissivity will be different. Let's say if it is for human body, the emissivity will be different. If it is for steel, the emissivity will be different. The battery compartment, as you can see here, sensor, protective cap, an additional strap is also provided as an accessory. Along with this, you get a calibration certificate and an instruction manual how to use this. For more information on similar devices, infrared temperature, pyrometers and any other online temperature meters, you can always reach our experts at instacart.com and take buying suggestions. Thanks for watching.